Hi everybody, today is Thursday, April 20th, and here is Aggie's litter. It's our first video, and they're just getting used to their collar, so we'll see how this goes. They just had their toenails clipped. It's a beautiful day here in Ohio, so I conned my 15-year-old son here to hold puppies up so we can zoom in so you can get a good look. So, first one we'll do is the Blue Bone, number 1978. Black male. There he is. Buddy! Grass on his face. So that's the puppy with the blue bone collar. And the next one we'll do is the salt and pepper male with the black collar. Like he has a wet head. He must have had his head in the water bowl a little. They're starting to eat some wet food on top of still nursing mom. Getting ready to do cottage cheese as well. There is a salt and pepper male, black collar. Next we'll do is a salt and pepper female with a green bone. She's over there taking a drink. There she is. They're just growing so fast. We did baths and pictures yesterday, and by the time I got them back in their pens, they were out. Alright. Next we have is the black bone. Salt and pepper male, 1961. Hey, buddy. And then we've got the salt and pepper female with the red bone, number 1963. Yep. And this is our little girl that's going to be staying here with us. Her name's Liberty. Say hi, Liberty. Then we've got the blue collar. This is a black male, number 1968. He's down here in between my feet. There he is. Hey, buddy. Then we've got the salt and pepper female with the green stripe. They're getting wore out here. And then last in Aggie's litter is the red striped puppy, and this is a black female. The only black female in the litter. Right. So we're doing another. They're all kind of gathering at my feet here. So yeah, everybody's doing great. They're learning to eat their food. They're going in, up and down their stairs, which means they can go in and have access to inside and outside of the building as they wish. Honey, put him. Mr. Blue Collar likes to be between my feet here, so I moved him back. They'll be starting their vitamins here. We'll have to put them in half for a little while until they get used to chewing those, and they'll get those on a daily basis. But moms are doing great, babies are doing great. Feel free to call me with any questions. Or if you haven't scheduled your pickup date, we can do that as well. They can go home starting May 19th. And we'll hope to get another video on here within the next week. Have a great night.